Hi friends, welcome back everyone to my channel Any Trader Can Fly, and this is Prince once again here. So friends, last week when I had uploaded my expiry day trading, many of them told me on WhatsApp and all my friends told me, why do you do adjustments? Because of adjustments you lost your profits because the 10 a.m. straddle and all the strangle strategies which I thought made very good profit without any adjustment. So then I just told them, friends, the reason why I do adjustment is because it's not that I want to increase the profit. The main reason is to reduce the losses, to come into break even, to get consistency. That is the main reason I do adjustments. So today was a real, I should say, a right back answer or a back answer kind of thing, because after 1:30, 2 o'clock, you saw that market suddenly crashed down and almost all the straddle sellers would have lost big money today. Both the way they would have lost money in the calls as well as in the puts. But because of my analysis, because of my adjustments, and because of my discretionary trading, I was able to come out with decent profits today. And I'm really excited about today's analysis because it was spot on. I was able to catch the correct trend, I was able to catch the correct support and resistance, and accordingly I was able to take my trade. So I'm very excited to explain to you today about my analysis, how I did my analysis. And friends, discretionary trading will really help you on Thursdays. I'm just suggesting you to please start small quantities on Thursdays. Thursdays market will forgive you even in case if you do small mistakes, because you know that by end of the day the premiums have to become zero. So if you're doing option selling, I would say at least on Thursdays try to do a little bit of discretionary trading, and also I'll try to make video and try to give you a little bit of highlights, a little bit of points and how to do the discretionary trading. So without wasting much time, let us look into today's trade, how we did the analysis. And before that, a small request, please press the like button and also the subscribe button. Okay, let's look into the trade today which we took. Okay, so today Bank Nifty opened with a gap up. As I always say, as I told in my previous video as well, gap up is something which almost all traders want, especially I want. Not because that it will go up, it's because the VIX will be cooling off. There will be good cooling off of the VIX, and that is very much required for all the option sellers. Okay, so this is what I was talking about the gap for today. Okay, so now let's look into the open interest as to find where the major support and resistance are, and I find that 39,500. okay, so this has got a very big tower, so I'm just marking 39,500 levels. Okay, and also you can see that the high also has been touched at that level and it has reversed. Okay, so it means that there is going to be a lot of resistance at that area. Okay, so let us look into the bottom part. There is no much open interest in the bottom part, but then we can look into the price action. Okay, so when you look into the price action, we can find that the previous day high price, okay, the close also is almost same near the high price. Okay, you can see there almost the high and the close also are at the same levels, and we can expect a very good support at this level, which is around 39,150. Okay, so this is the range which I have identified for the day, and friends, let me tell you, the analysis was spot on. Okay, so this was before market itself. We found out the analysis, we found out the levels. It is bit high considering Thursday, but I'll try to reduce it down as the day progresses. As of now, I can see almost close to 350 points. There is this range which is big for a expiry day, but today being you can see the expiry premiums, the premiums are good enough, so 350 also is fine, but I'll just try to reduce it going forward in case if at all we are getting good support and resistance zones. I'll try to reduce this range, and accordingly we'll try to take the trade. So that is the overall plan for the day, and then accordingly I started to take my positions. Okay, so I just waited initially for Bank Nifty to cool down, because you can see that presently Bank Nifty is just going down, so which is not good for us because VIX also will be increasing at this level. Okay, so this is the VIX which I was talking about. So you can see that VIX is also increasing, so not taking my position still. So we'll just wait for one green candle and then take the positions, because VIX will cool off drastically when there is a green candle. Okay, so now I can see that there is a candle coming down. Okay. So now Bank Nifty is almost sideways movement, and I have also taken my positions. Okay, Bank Nifty is moving sideways as you can see, and then I started off with strangle as usual. I did not go with straddle, I went with strangle, trying to take at least a little safety, 200 points far, and the major concern is the VIX. but still you can see it's moving sideways. So slowly by slowly, I was thinking of taking the entire positions and trade accordingly. Okay. So friends, this is what I was talking about, the area. Okay. So this is the area which I told you I can expect a very good resistance, but one thing, if at all you have observed, you will see here. Okay, let me show it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 continuous green candles were coming. So I did not want to miss the rally. So I did a small mistake of jumping into bullishness. I took a slightly bullish trade before my breakout happens. That was one mistake which I learned from today's analysis, but then being Thursday, it really did not spoil the show. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I am almost bullish, as if you can see here. Okay, I just have only one call sold, but apart from that, major quantity input, and also I have call buying as well. So this is what I did the adjustments. I slightly made myself fully bullish, seeing the consistent continue green candles. I expected Bank Nifty to shoot off. Usually what happens, there will be one plus minus kind of thing, but this what happened, there was continuous green candles. So that is why I made myself fully bullish. But you know, Bank Nifty had its own plan and it did not continue the rally. Okay, and also option buying I have taken next week expiry, just in order not to lose on the theta decay. Okay, so in case if it shoots up from here, I am going to make excellent profit. Okay, so but now friends, time you can see is 11 o'clock, and Bank Nifty, as I had marked correctly, it has bounced from this level. This is what I was telling. I was very happy with my analysis. Okay, so it moved in the range. I came back almost trying to add back all the call positions, but still puts which I was heavily, I am waiting it to go bullish, but start adding a little bit of calls. Okay, but as of now you can see Bank Nifty is trying to move in a range, and this is the area where almost most of the time it is bouncing back. Okay, you can see almost second time again it is bouncing back from this level, and this is what I was telling you friends. I felt very happy today marking these zones, marking the support and resistance level, because market perfectly respected the levels. Okay, so it comes out of experience. It's not that with 1 or 2 days of finding out the support and resistance you can find the exact levels, but then keep doing it regularly and you'll be able to find, market will tell you where it is going to rebound and where it is going to turn as well. Okay, so this was my analysis and it went perfectly, and you can see Bank Nifty is just moving sideways. Time is close to 12 o'clock and it is only moving sideways. Thereby on an expiry day you can expect good profits, and same with my case as well. Decent enough profit of around 50,000. If I had not done the initial mistake of going bullish, I would have been very good profit, but then it's okay, fine. Bank Nifty has reversed back and it has also given me the theta decay. Okay, so now time is close to 12:30 and you can see the slightly mix-ups have started. The volatility is slightly starting to increase. You can see big candles are being formed here. Okay, so this was a little bit of a situation where I got panicked, but again it was like it was trying to reverse. Bank Nifty was trying to reverse, but as I told you, Thursday you can always respect, you can take discretionary trade, because theta will always help you, and I'm still with a very good decent profits. Okay, so friends, now you can see time is close to 1:30 and the area which I had marked exactly, you can see that it has crossed that level and it has gone up. Okay, so this was what I was talking about, an area where if at all market goes up, we'll make very good profits, and Bank Nifty exactly crossed this level with big candles and it was trying to go up. It was very much bullish above this levels. Okay, and when you see my positions as well, you can see very good decent profits, around close to 1,25,000 rupees with option buying as well. I am doing small quantities in option buying as well, and then in option selling as well I am doing good amount of quantity. Okay, so this was the overall picture. If at all Bank Nifty would have continued going from here top, I would have made a very big lottery, but then you know that it's an expiry day, always Bank Nifty will not go. So this was my again area of support and resistance which I had marked. Whichever area it breaks, accordingly I will do the adjustments. Okay, so then I shifted my range area. So the area which I had marked in the morning, I shifted now. So presently I found a very good high at 39,600, and you can see here around 39,500 we have got a very good support. So this range is very good enough, decent enough 100 points range. In case if Bank Nifty crosses down or comes down from this level, accordingly I can make my trade bearish, or if it goes above I can make fully bullish. So this was the game plan. Again, my second analysis, this also worked very beautifully for today. Okay, so before showing you that, so this was the present positions at before 1:30. This was how I was situated. Okay, so friends, did I not tell you the level which we had marked has beautifully been broken and Bank Nifty is just crashing and going down. This was an area where most of the straddle sellers would have lost money. The 920 straddle sellers and the 10 AM straddle sellers and all, they would have lost money. Reason because one sided we stop loss was already hit and another side Bank Nifty started going down. But then since I was discretionary trading and since my major support has been broken, and also you can see super trend is changed, I could easily come to a bearish position. So this is what I am talking about. This range, this area, it has completely broken, and you can see I am now completely bearish. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legs of bearish trades. All in case if Bank Nifty continues to go down, I will be even super duper profits. Okay, so now you can see that Bank Nifty is slightly trying to take support, and then as of my position I am fair enough with decent profit, but I slightly added put positions as well because Bank Nifty is trying to consolidate. Okay, so as of now everything is fine. So since it's on Thursday, I don't want to lose the profits. What I'm trying to do is I just try to move the super trend to 10,2. Okay, so this is going to be the area at which I'm thinking of going bullish once again, or to close off my position. So this is, I'll be starting to trail, because as you would have seen now I am completely directional. So if I have to go bullish or if I have to close my positions, I started moving my stop losses little tightly. Initially I was keeping 10,3 super trend, now I moved it to 10,2, so that because almost it is already crossed 2 o'clock, so I don't want to lose the hard earned profits whatever I have got for the day. So in case if Bank Nifty comes to this level, I had decided to quit my positions or at least go bullish based on the premiums and also based on the time availability. Okay, so this is what happened, but then okay, Bank Nifty is still continuing to go down, and you can see that my positions as of now are in a good profit of 2,37,30, 2 lakh for close to 2,40,000. So this was how my positions were at around okay, 2 o'clock, 2:30. So decent enough profits. Then again I started moving very tightly, started trailing my stop losses very tightly, and you can also see that there is the low has not been broken still, so you can expect a very good support at this level. So I'm not expecting Bank Nifty to cross this level. In case if it crosses, it will be a lottery, but we can expect a rebound over here. Okay, so friends, this was what happened end of the day, and slightly you can see Bank Nifty has consolidated, and once again as I told you, the area which I marked the low of the day worked beautifully, and also the area of resistance also worked beautifully, and Bank Nifty moved in this range itself. But then I was not able to capitalize on this. I was expecting Bank Nifty to continue to go down, and this kind of small jigsaws which happened, Bank Nifty was trying to go up, and it also trying to come with big green candles, and I got a little bit of panic and I started to exit my positions. I almost closed at 2,24,000 rupees. I closed my profits. I did not go to continue. I just closed off my positions at this this is the level. Okay, so I was planning to trail here, but then this kind of spikes when it started coming, I got a little bit of panicked, and then I exited my positions completely. But if it had continued, it would have been more, at least should have made another 1 lakh profit easily. Okay, so overall if you see today Bank Nifty how it has gone, it was almost like sideways, then up, and then it came down continuously, and this is where it really helped a discretionary trader like me and many others who are doing discretionary trading. If at all you would have followed a system that is a straddle, you would have made a small loss today. It's okay, fine. If at all you have made loss, also make sure that their losses are within the limit. It's part and parcel of trading, but then don't forget, don't worry, because we have another many more days in our trading career. We can once again come and recover the losses whatever you have made, in case if you are making losses today. But I should say overall I felt happy, and day by day I am improving my analysis as well. So two ways I'm improving. One is that I'm trading myself, and second thing is like by I'm explaining and teaching to you as well. My analysis also is improving. So I should say that's how that's how you learn a new art of adjustments. Okay. Okay, friends. Hope you like today's analysis and hope you like today's video. Please do press the subscribe button and also the like button. And once again, wishing you all the best. Thank you and have a nice day.